Welcome to the episode 3, part 1 of our Make Money Online series, and hope you have been enjoying the series so far. Today in this series, I will be making a video based on the response I've been getting from people watching the video, and their response is that these tasks are hard, they can't actually do these tasks, and how do they tend to make money on Picoworkers without having to do any tasks. And that is why today I'll be talking about how we'll be able to make money on Picoworkers without doing any tasks. Yes, it's very possible to make money on Picoworkers without doing any tasks, but it does not mean you won't do any work. But compared to doing a task, it's more easier than doing a task and you make your money. Even when you are sleeping, it works for you. So with that being said, my name still remains Sylvester Junior, and if you know you're a new subscriber to my channel or you're new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification button so that anytime I release a new video, you can get notified. And also, if you know you've not liked my video, kindly click on the like button so that the YouTube algorithm can share this video to a lot of persons. Thank you very much, and let's see with my laptop. Here I'll be showing us how we can do this. In order to show you how these things work, I will log in into my Picoworkers account. I'll click on login. So the next thing I'll do is, yeah, that is my password. That is my email. So I'll put in my password. So I'll put in my password. I'm trying to log into my account, into my Picoworkers account. So that's what I'm trying to do. Putting my password is loading. Yes, I've logged in into my account. You can see. So you can see a job here for $1. Are you seeing it? Job here for $1. You can see job there for $1, $1. Imagine you can do like 4 of these jobs. I'll got you on $4. So that is that. So I want to show us how we can actually make money on Picoworkers without having to do any work. And the first thing we are going to do is what they call Picoworkers affiliate. Yes, in this affiliate program, there's you when you refer people to Picoworkers and they sign up. If anybody make a purchase through Picoworkers, but like paying for a tax, for some people to do a tax, you get money. And you also people Picoworkers also do a tax that before you refer do a tax on Picoworkers, we get money. So it's a two-way system in making money with a referral program. You make money when people are being referred to Picoworkers and they make a purchase, like they make a purchase so that people can do tax, or they also do tax themselves. In both ways, you make money, and you can see why it's sweet. It's a very sweet business. So, how do we do? The first thing we look at how we can get our referral code. First of all, our referral link. So you see where we see where my mouse is here, and where we have the refer a friend. Just you click it. Where you have a refer a friend, you click it and it opens for us. So refer a friend, you can see it's telling me zero in my timeline, zero user in my downline, and it's saying 5% you get from each deposit or tax. You can see you get anybody that make a tax, you get 5% from it, or anybody that deposits money into their wallet, you get 5% from it. So that's why it's a that's why it's a very good one. So how do you do that? Next thing you get your this is your link here, your affiliate link. So that's my affiliate link. So I'll look for my notepad and paste it here so I can start the process and show you how it's done. This is my I'm opening here. This is my notepad, so I'll paste it here. I've copied it. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll head over to Facebook. Yes, in order to promote this link, is Facebook will make use of Facebook. So we'll come here and look for Facebook. So look for Facebook and press enter. So Facebook is loading. My own Facebook is opening. Like I already have my Facebook logged in this browser, so my Facebook is loading. So what we will be doing on Facebook here is that we'll be joining groups. Yes, on Facebook here we'll be joining groups, different groups on Facebook. Yes, On Facebook, we'll be joining different groups here on Facebook. So that's just it. So yeah, are we going to? So your search. What are we doing now? Search for make money online. So I'll search for make money online. So let's look for make money online groups. Yeah, let's use make money online groups. So what I'm trying to do here is that in this make money online groups, yeah, you find on Facebook here, a lot of persons on Facebook here in this make money online group, they are looking for ways to make money. So it's very easy for you to get people from those groups, those public. See, this is a public group. You can join. What you just come, you join this group. You can see how to join with either my page or my profile. You can choose to join with anyone. You can join with my page. I'll join the group. So like that, I'll look for say make money online club India. I can join too. Do you want to earn money online? I can say yes. So like okay, visit this thing for any 1,000. Okay, click yes. So agree. So I click on submit and I use my page to join. So that is it. So next we'll do come down here again. You look for groups that you can join. This is make money online. Make money online group 40. I've joined this already. So what I can do now in this group, after joining the group, just come to the group. So what I'll be doing in this group is very simple. I'll just come here and let me make a post. And the post I'll be making is I can just make a post and say I can just make a post and say so yeah, I just come and make a post and say, do you want to make your first dollar online? I make a post like this now. I can now say comment yes. Uh, Comment yes, then I will show you how. So with this now, what we've just done here is, do you want, wrote a post here, do you want to make your first dollar online? Comment yes, then I will show you how. So with this post now, most people will comment now and I'll click on post. So once I post this link, once I click on post, you see my post is, I've posted here. So any comment I get here now, any comment I get here, once anybody replies, so I'll just tell them DM me. So once they send me a DM, from my DM, I will have to send them a message. Yes. When there's anybody that DM me, so I have to send that person a message. Once I send that person a message, and what will I be sending that person? I will send that person a normal message. Yes, I will send that person a normal message. Like, and how will that normal message be? Normal message will just be like something like, so my message I'll be sending person, I'll just tell person to DM me. I want person to send me a DM. I'll send a message like, okay, thanks for sending me a message. So that's what I'll just tell them. Thanks for sending me a message. If you want to get to know how, follow this link. And once they follow this link, they'll sign up. Just tell them a little about them, Picoworkers. Yeah, tell them a little about Picoworkers. And a lot of people will be interested. Tell them to sign up to that link. They want to get discount and the rest. So once they sign up, you are good to go. Once they sign up, a lot of people also want to do these tags because you have people from different countries that are okay with the tags, so they will do the tags and you get 5% from anything they earn. And if they end up if they end up making a deposit in Pico Workers in order to do the tax, in order for people to do tax for them, I mean, you will get 5% also. So that is just very easy. Go and join a lot of groups you can join. Post like that, public groups that will allow you to post like this. So this my post I made here now. Before tomorrow,
You see people will start commenting, yes, 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 yes. So, and I'll just tell them DM me, DM me, DM me. So by the time I tell them DM, before you know, before I can get up to 100 people, I'll send me DM and I'll send my link to them. So imagine those 100 people now, out of those 100 people they signed up, and even if only 10 to 20 are doing tax, or somebody make a deposit to for someone to do tax for them, you can see how much you'll be making with just that trick alone. So that's what I do on this channel. I teach you different tips and tricks how to make money online, and also teach you web design skill, because the truth is that you need a skill before you can excel online. So just feel free and practice what I've taught, and you'll see it will work for you. Please, making money online is not an easy task. Put the effort, implement what I'm teaching you. You know that I will just teach you something and you just go to sleep. Implement it, and I'm very, very straightforward when I'm trying to show you how these things work. I'm not the kind of person that beat around the bush. I go through the book and show you what works and what don't work. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching that video and hope you learned a lot from the video. If you do learn a lot from the video, kindly click on the like button so that the YouTube algorithm can share this video to a lot of persons. And also, if you know you've not subscribed, please don't leave without subscribing. Yes, click that subscribe button, the red button, and also the notification button beside it so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. Thank you and see you in my next video.